MOVA sent me their flagship new robot mop and vacuum, the MOVA P50 Pro Ultra, to make this video. And I've been using it in my coffee shop I recently opened here in Brooklyn for a bit now, and it has some pretty interesting features I think we can talk about. First, it has one of the highest suction powers that I've seen on a robot vacuum / mop combo, 19,000 pascals of suction. So it can pick up small and large particles without any issues. It also has an anti-tangle clean chop part here that actually stops hair from tangling up into the brush and makes sure that it goes into the vacuum itself, which is good because there are a few dogs that come through here usually. Now it has 3 different cleaning tools: a main brush for brushing and pulling things into the dustbin, the side brush that pulls debris in towards the main brush, and magnetically attached mop pads. Now that magnetic part of that is kind of clever actually, because it allows the robot itself to detach them and leave them in the dock if you want to, say, have it go vacuum a higher pile carpet so that the mops don't get the carpet wet. Now, even if you don't do that, it does automatically raise and lower the mop pads when it gets to a carpet so as to not get it wet. So it's just a preference that you can tell it to do in the app if you know you have maybe a fluffier carpet, and you can also even tell it to avoid rugs entirely if you need. Now, one of the mop pads and the side brush can also both extend automatically to make sure to get into corners or against walls as needed, even 100% of a right angle corner. You can even set it to clean gaps under things as well as clean furniture legs more thoroughly in the app with these as well. It can also lift the sidearm automatically if it notices a wet mess to avoid, spreading it around. In the base, we also have a dustbin that supposedly can store up to 75 days worth of debris before you need to replace the bin. We also have a 3.5 liter dirty water tank and a 4 liter clean water tank. Basically, when you first set up the base and the robot, you fill the clean water tank, and then it'll use that to mop with, and then when it comes back to the base, it can clean the pads with 167 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius hot water, and sucks up the dirty water into the dirty water tank to be removed after enough cleaning has been done, and it'll let you know that it's full in the app. It can also dry the mops with 113 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 degrees Celsius hot air as well to make sure that they don't just sit there wet in the base. In addition to that, the base itself actually will clean the docking station too, and it can deep clean the mops at the same time. That base also has a 5-channel sensor system on the dock itself to help the robot find it easier. And speaking of the robot finding things, something kind of impressive is the way the robot can navigate your space. In the app, you tell it to map the space and it'll use its sensors, including a new upgraded RGB camera, to map all of the walls and objects in the space. Then you can give names to the various rooms, create no-go zones, even add furniture, and even add curtains so it knows to go under them and clean to the wall. Once it's set up, you can then tell it to clean room by room in a specific order, customize the level of suction and mop wetness, as well as how often it returns to clean the mop, and a bunch of other customization settings. But you can also use what MOVA calls an intelligent dirt cleaning strategy by tapping the Clean Genius button and let the robot decide for itself in real time what it needs to do based on whatever level of soiling or wet mess it detects. And also, you can remote into the robot's camera to see what obstacles it's encountering, or just use it as a security robot, or to, chase your pet around. There we go, guys. A quick hands-on of the MOVA P50 Pro Ultra. If you want to learn more about it, you can check out the link in the description below, and also use a discount code that's there to get a little bit off of the price. Now though, I'm gonna go wipe the tables down in the cafe because I don't have a robot that can do that just yet. Good night.